Today I'm playing Wolf Online. It's a wolf game, so let's see what this is about. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm gonna keep it down. Oh, I can skip the video. Good. Because I ain't gonna wait no 20, so. Okay, so hunting. I don't know what I press. Oh. So I can be a regular wolf, the first one, a husky-ish wolf, a big wolf, and a female wolf. Mountain wolf. So these are the big ones that can eat these ones. So watch out for them. The wild wolves. These ones can eat you and you. So I honestly don't like these ones. They're freaking scary. You can already hear all the howling. I want to get one of these because they're easier to kill people. I like this one. My name's not going to be Fluffy. My name will be Blackie. No, if I want one of those, then nobody's going to like me. My name will be... My name's Cootie. Now, let's join this world. So I'm on a local server, which means this needs internet. This is honestly, I think it's free. My brother told me it's free. So I'm just following these lines. I do not. Okay, there we are. So you can chat by pressing this and say hi there, and then it'll come up as your name. So like there's Phoenix, Scarfer, and if you find an animal, then you press this howling button. So let me find an animal. Okay, the person in front of me is there's a dangerous animal over here. I'm gonna go this way and I'm going to show you how you summon. I'm scared. Where is it? It's right over here, so let's see. Oh. Those are bigger wolves than me. Oh. It's bigger than me, it's bigger than me, it's bigger than me, it's bigger than me. Run. It's bigger than me. Oh, I don't want to get eaten. You really have to watch out for the big ones. They're ultra mega scary. Like, ooh, the red one means there's danger, so I should probably get there. You are calling wolf pack. Okay. Yeah, it said that means danger, so I gotta run up to it. It's right there. Oh my god. Oh my god. It looks huge. What is it? My god, what? It was one of those big wolves. They killed it. Oh my god. Oh, I'm being howled for. Hell, I just howled. So you just howl and then they all come to a summon. There was a freaking animal. I can't see crap. It's glitchy. Ow, what am I biting at? Dude, I can't see anything. How are you supposed to see? I don't even know where Okay, I need to exit out of my screen real quick and go this way by the alpha. Okay, gotta get out of here. Okay, apparently there's a dangerous thing right there. There's two. Oh. I'm gonna die doing this. So. No, I know where I'm going. never get attack on anything. Yeah, so, oh dear. Maybe I can get this for myself. No, get back here. Die. These deer run so freaking... I mean, if I was a wolf, I'd just grab its leg. I'm not saying that you should do that. Never grab anybody else's leg. So right now, I'm getting this myself because I'm starving. And that gets you points, I believe. Where the flip? No, it's my deer. It's my deer. It's my deer. It's my deer. It's mine. That's mine. Fuck her. I'm gonna help Mr. Walker. No, you can get seriously injured. Did you see that? I just lost health right there. You can get very injured doing this. So it's almost down, technically. Ah! Oh, buffalo. I just saw the buffalo. You cannot tell me I did not see a buffalo. Oh, that's cool. Can I have some? I'm starving. I want food. I'm not gonna take it. I just need to eat. Yum. Ow! Somebody took it. Get back here. That's not yours. No. Okay. I just felt like it. We need our own animal because everyone's stealing my food. That kind of makes me sad. So, well guys, that was it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I'm going to give it a minute for you guys to look at all these adorable puppies.